Welcome back to New Auto Garage, where the future of performance meets passion. If you crave speed, innovation, and the kind of engineering that makes your heart race, you've just tuned in at the perfect moment. Because today, we're talking about a car that's rewriting the rulebook on American performance, the 2026 Corvette Zora. This isn't just another Corvette. This is the most extreme, most powerful, and most advanced Corvette ever built. A car that blurs the line between supercar and hypercar, ready to take on Ferrari, Lamborghini, and even Bugatti at their own game. Let's dive right into it. The Corvette Zora has been one of the most anticipated cars in the world for years. Named after Zora Arkus Duntov, the legendary engineer known as the father of the Corvette, this car is Chevrolet's ultimate tribute to the man who dreamed of putting the Corvette on the global supercar stage. And now, that dream has finally become reality. At first glance, the 2026 Corvette Zora looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's sculpted, sharp, and aerodynamic to perfection. The low, wide stance, aggressive lines, and massive intakes tell you everything you need to know. This machine was built for pure performance. The design is based on the C8 platform, but everything has been pushed to the limit. The carbon fiber bodywork, active aero components, and rear wing aren't just for looks. They're functional, generating insane levels of downforce and stability at high speeds. Under the hood, or more accurately, behind the driver, lies the heart of a monster. The Zora is powered by a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter LT7 V8 engine, combined with a hybrid electric system. Together they produce a mind-blowing 1,000 horsepower and 975 lb-ft of torque. Yes, you heard that right. 1,000 horses from a Corvette. The hybrid system isn't just for efficiency. It's designed to eliminate turbo lag and deliver instant torque. The result? A 0 to 60 mph time of just 1.9 seconds. That's quicker than the Bugatti Chiron and right in line with the Tesla Roadster. Power is sent to all four wheels through an advanced all-wheel drive system, a first for a Corvette. The transmission is a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch setup designed to handle all that power with precision. The Zora's hybrid motors can send power independently to the front wheels, allowing for incredible traction, cornering grip, and launch control. Whether you're on a racetrack or a winding mountain road, the Zora sticks to the pavement like it's glued down. Chevrolet has also gone all in on technology. The Zora features an advanced adaptive suspension system that reads the road hundreds of times per second, adjusting damping and ride height instantly. It uses a predictive setup that works with cameras and sensors to anticipate bumps and curves before you even reach them. Combined with active aero and torque vectoring, this system makes the Zora feel like it's defying physics. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels more spaceship than sports car. The cabin is driver-focused, with every control angled toward you. There's a 12.8-inch curved digital instrument cluster that displays real-time performance data, G-forces, hybrid system output, and customizable driving modes. The infotainment system is powered by GM's new Ultralink OS with over-the-air updates and integrated AI voice control. The interior materials are top-tier: Alcantara, carbon fiber, and lightweight titanium accents. The seats are thin, sculpted, and designed for both comfort and track performance. The steering wheel is a new design, inspired by Formula One, featuring a flat top and bottom with haptic feedback controls. The drive mode selector offers everything from daily driving to insane Track Plus mode, where the car's hybrid system prioritizes full power and maximum aerodynamic performance. In that mode, you get the full 1,000 horsepower unleashed at once. Chevrolet has also given the Zora a suite of intelligent features. The hybrid powertrain can operate in full electric mode for short distances, allowing you to cruise silently in the city. It can even regenerate energy under braking and cornering, feeding power back into the battery for your next acceleration burst. The aerodynamics adjust automatically, with movable front splitters and rear spoilers that optimize airflow based on speed and conditions. And yes, this Corvette sounds as incredible as it looks. The V8 engine's roar, combined with the electric motor's instant torque, creates a sound symphony that's both futuristic and primal. It's the perfect mix of muscle and modernity. On the performance side, the Zora isn't just fast in a straight line. It's built to handle corners like a true race car. With a near 50-50 weight distribution, low center of gravity, and lightweight carbon chassis, it can pull over 1.3 Gs in lateral acceleration. On the Nürburgring, early test mules have already recorded times under 6 minutes and 50 seconds, placing it among the fastest road cars in the world. Safety and driver assistance haven't been ignored either. The Zora features an advanced version of GM's Super Cruise system with semi-autonomous driving capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and collision avoidance. But make no mistake, this car is built for drivers who want to be in control. Now let's talk numbers. Pricing for the 2026 Corvette Zora is expected to start around $250,000, a serious figure, but one that puts it squarely in supercar territory. Considering the performance, engineering, and design, that's still a bargain compared to rivals like Ferrari SF90, McLaren Artura, or Lamborghini Revuelto. And unlike those cars, the Zora carries the soul of true American performance. The 2026 Corvette Zora represents more than just a new model. It's the ultimate evolution of the Corvette legacy. From front-engine classics to mid-engine marvels, and now to hybrid hypercar status, Chevrolet has officially transformed the Corvette into a global performance icon. This car isn't just fast. It's intelligent, efficient, and thrilling all at once, a combination rarely seen in any supercar. The Zora isn't about following trends. It's about setting them. It's about pushing boundaries, honoring history, and showing the world that American engineering can stand toe-to-toe with Europe's finest. So, what do you think? Has Chevrolet just created the perfect hypercar? Could the Zora be the car that finally puts Corvette ahead of Ferrari and McLaren? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think of this ultimate performance machine. If you enjoyed this exclusive first look at the 2026 Corvette Zora, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to New Auto Garage, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the future of automotive power. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay fast, stay fearless, and keep chasing speed with New Auto Garage.